Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this review feedback, we're going to explore the Zonka feedback and review. We will explore if these tools can be the key to unlock to higher customer satisfaction. So to get started, Zonka feedback is a survey app for collecting feedback. You can create a survey for website, emails, and SMS. It even work offline on tablet or a kiosk. It helps you measure customers' happiness with a CX metric like Net Promoter Scores, NPS, Customers Effort Score, CES. You can get an alert when a feedback comes in. You can easily distribute your survey and feedback everywhere with no stress. This helps you automate tasks to close the feedback loop and take action. You can see the result with the analytics. If you want to know about your customers think and improve your business, use Zonka to get real-time information. Send NPS survey to find your net promoter scores. Zonka help with a multiple channel feedback at all touch point. Now talking about the best features of this platform, which is Zonka. Zonka Feedback has some cool tools to help you understand your customers better. So let's look at some of the top ones on the platform. One of the top one is the advanced reporting. They come with an AI analytics, a custom survey, and a feedback loop together with the integration. So talking about the pros and cons before you decide, it's smart to look at the good and bad side of a particular platform before you dive into it. So take one of the pros and cons of this platform, which is the advantages of this zone feedback, is it's easily to create a good survey. You can also collect customers feedback anywhere, anytime. It helps you see clear analytics fast. You can even automate follow up easily. It works with many other tools you use as well. And here's the downside. Some plans can cost a bit more. The starting plan has a fewer features, which can prompt you to go for more higher plans. And the learning all the features takes time, and integration setup might need help. So let me know comment below down below what you think about this AI website.